Hello, my name is Edwin Tafur. I'm going to present a travel plan to Aruba. This plan is going to include 7 days and 6 nights at the beach resort. We will have breakfast and dinner every day. Airport travel are included too. You are going to the visit Eagle Beach. It has more beautiful sands than other beaches. We will see the California Lighthouse. It is near the ocean. You are going to explore Aricog National Park and swim in the natural pool. We will walk in Orange, the capital city. We will travel by plane from Colombia to Aruba. On the island, we recommend that we use buses for tour. You can rent a car or take a taxi. The trip will be from July 15 to July 22nd in the summer holidays. The price is 1,200 per person, dollar per person. You can pay by credit card or PayPal. You can pay in 3 months. This is going to be the best plan. Aruba is warmer than other places. The beaches are more beautiful. The weather is clearer and the island is safer. The weather is better of you. For more information, contact in Colombia in the following numbers 311-267-77 and follow us on our website www.travellowcost.com.co. Thank you. I hope you are going to enjoy Aruba. It is one happy island.